I love this camera. The Fuji X10. It's just beautiful. In every way. And it looks a bit like a you-know-what. You know which one, don't you? The red button camera. But without the price tag. Fuji stopped making it though. Unbelievable. Fuji, what were you thinking? Why do I love this camera so much? It's just the looks. Am I that shallow? No, the lens. Oh, the lens. It's fast, tack sharp. And of course the fill-in flash. It just shouldn't be able to do what it does. But the best thing about it is that it's so small. It's darn near invisible to people. They just can't see it. And so for portraits, it's perfect. You can get right in there, right up close, so nobody sees you. And just to prove a point, I took it along to the amazing Boomtown Fair to shoot some portraits. And although I don't do these videos for likes, if you just like one of these pictures, please give me a like. So here are my Fuji X10 portraits. Now Boomtown is an amazing place, and it's just about as far from reality as you can get. So yes, the look I'm going for is unrealistic, because I want to capture the sublime, capture the colour, and capture the essence of the Boomtown Fair. Enjoy. Oh, I love that camera. So much, the spec that makes it so good. And it's all here in my video review. Check it out.